brands have started noticing me. So this brand reached out to me that they want to. So I'm just here to encourage small creators. Guys, before we begin, let me apologize. I can't find my microphone. I've been searching for it. I don't know where I left it. So if the volume is quite low, please forgive me. In the next vlog, it's not going to be like that, okay? I'm going to try and look for it, okay? Please pardon me. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel once again. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. If you are new here, my name is Deborah Diamond, an international student living in Paris. I'm a Ghanaian, yeah. So on this channel, I share my lifestyle in Paris and my student life as well, okay? So if you are into lifestyle vlogs, fashion, skincare, life in Paris as a whole, please, this channel is for you. Do not let today be your last. Kindly subscribe to my channel and always run up here to watch my vlogs, okay? I have something special to tell you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted on my Instagram that we have an unboxing to do today. I'm excited about it because looking at my numbers here on YouTube, I only have like 200 subscribers, and brands have started noticing me and sending in their packages that I least expected. So I'm just here to encourage small creators that you may not know who is watching you. Keep posting, keep doing what you can do your best, and just leave the rest to God. This year I've received like 3 PR packages from skincare brands. Yeah, 3 PR packages from skincare brands. And couple of fashion brands reaching out to me. I'm still in negotiation with them to see how best we can have that deal. So this brand reached out to me that they want to send me their product to try. I was like, okay. And I checked the brand. It was like, okay, I think I know this brand. So they sent in their package. I'm doing this unboxing because one of the reasons why I'm doing this unboxing is that this brand reached out to me that they wanted to send me a package, and later, I think after 2 weeks, they sent an email that I should submit the video and all that. So I told them that, oh, I've not received the package yet. I don't know if they've really shipped it. They should send me the tracking details so that I can check it out and see where the package really is. So when I reached out to them, immediately they responded. Their response was just swift, and I was so glad that they respected me, how they came about with their email in response to my request. It was so beautiful, and I felt so respected. So this is the product. We are going to go in and unbox it, and we all find out. In fact, when it came, I was tempted to unbox it, so I even said, okay, let me close it. I'm going to do this with my people on YouTube. So yes, guys, let's unbox it, okay? Okay, so this brand is called Arencia. I've actually been seeing them around, and I'm really curious to see how they stand out. We are going to test this product in our next vlog, okay? Keep watching. Guys, there's been a requested video I need to do because a couple of my family on Facebook have been asking for study in France kind of video, the process, the whole thing, the process and all that. So I'm going to start that series here to explain things. I wanted to record that video and post it on Facebook to answer most of their questions, but I realized that no, I have family here too, so I need to just do the whole thing and post it here for my family here to also enjoy. So I love you guys. Thanks for the support, okay? I appreciate every one of you. 214 subscribers is not a joke. I appreciate each and every one of you. I don't take this for granted, okay? Thank you so much. I love you guys. Trust me, I love you guys, okay? Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate. Please, if you are not following me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, please, I'm going to leave my handle here on the screen. Kindly follow me on Instagram. Let's link up there, okay? Hi guys, good morning. I hope you're all doing well. So this morning I have class and I decided to take you guys along to school. So come with me to my school. Yes, it's when I take the metro, it's 5 minutes away, but when I walk, it's 10 to 12 minutes. But because I'm vlogging, that's why I'm walking today so that I can carry you guys along. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm already in school. Yeah, so let me show you around. So I'm already in school. The class is 8:30, but it's now 8:10. So I'll wait a while, then we go to class, okay? So let's hang out. Weekend? Huh. I'm not spending more than 2 hours in this class, trust me.
For me, I was thinking like I will go after the break. And today he has some guests. I could wait last.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time. But
just don't understand that, Professor, honestly.
Just something to do.
And someone will participate, they'll go there to write their names, and it's also another story. Guys, so I'm already in class. The professor is already in, and I'm going to go off for a while. I'll show you some clips, okay? Catch you guys later. Mom, cozy. Hi guys. Since the last time that I told you I was going to school, I've not spoken to you guys ever since. Today is Friday and I'm on my way to work. I wanted to film my day at work, but unfortunately where I work, I cannot film. Highly restricted, so yeah. So after school and work, I decided to come here and practice a bit. I'm still a beginner, but I'm getting there, and it's actually becoming something I think I really like or enjoy. Guys, don't mind me, okay? I'm just practicing to film a brand content. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. See you next time, or see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in my next vlog. I love you all. Mwah.